So you're going to go into your Facebook that's associated with the email that you gave us, and you should be able to click on notifications, and you should have an invite, just like it says here at the top. Zach Platt invited you to join the private group, Vetted Nutrition, Go Time Fundamentals. I will hit join. I have joined now, and then it says invite accepted, and I can click on it and now I'm in it. I am an admin, so I have the ability to invite, but now I can start. I can click here, I can post, I can add, I can ask a question anytime I want, I can add a photo of a meal to see how I did with my ratios, I can put my assignment here, and I can get daily feedback. And here's one of the big advantages. So, whether or not you currently use Facebook, I would take advantage of this because you get a real live person who's passionate and educated on the subject who will answer your questions every day.